Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. And as you can see right here, from the homepage of this app, you can add card, manage passes, and quick tips. Also, you can add new passes like transit pass, loyalty, and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and if you've got a lock screen set. Then you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.